Alright guys, good evening. I'm coming to you from Tuscaloosa, Alabama. If you don't know what Tuscaloosa is, if you're a college football fan, it's where the University of Alabama is at. I'm coming to you this evening from this Hampton Inn and Suites. I'm actually heading to do some stuff in Tuscaloosa in the morning. We're here for the night to stay the night, so let's go get checked in, do a hotel tour and a room tour, find out what room number we're in. Hopefully not the first floor. Alright, let's get checked in, let's go make some memories. Right off the lobby by the elevators right here is the guest laundry, 6 to midnight. There's also an ice machine, vending machine. As you can see, there's only one washer, one dryer. They also have one of these drinking fountains with the filling station. We've been seeing more and more of those every time we go somewhere to stay. And that's a good sign. That's a very good sign because those are filtered, so you don't have to worry about wasting money on bottled water. And it also saves the environment because you can refill a plastic bottle you had or a refillable. Well, we always travel with refillable bottles, so it works for us. There's the ice and vending on the second floor. Yep. The great thing is, why are the ceilings in this hotel so low? I'm not that tall. I mean, I'm not that short either, but look at this. I'm just standing here and the ceiling is maybe what, like 6'4"?
6'4", 6'5", yeah.
My father was 6'2", and he'd be scraping his head on this, I think, if he was here. Ooh, I forgot to say. Room tour time. Bathroom. Bathroom's a little tight, it feels like, compared to the other ones on this trip. But it works. Oh, what's in here? Closet, ironing board, some hangers. And here's another one of these protractors that you need to do your geography homework. I mean, geometry homework. Sorry about that. You can see we already got our goodies in here because we checked in. Got 2 beds, TV, microwave. Ooh. Yep, mini fridge, and it's empty, thank goodness. It is dark in here. My goodness. There's a desk, computer to do some vlogging, editing. And let's look at our view out the window here. Ooh. There's a view of not much. A couple cars and some bushes. We paid for the high view. That's our room tour. Thanks for watching. Alright, so also down here on the first floor, they do have a meeting room, and it currently says in use. And they do have a business center. It's open 24 hours. And they have like a nice area for snacks here. And then they have all the breakfast area here, which is open from 6 to 10 like always in every Hampton. There is a pool outside. It's currently closed because it is winter time. But there is a small pool outside. There was no point in me going out to video it because it's dark. So it's not going to show up on camera anyway. Yeah, here's the fitness center. I passed it. It was literally right here. I just happened to walk past it. There's towels in here. A drink station where you can get water before or after your workout. They've got a weight bench here. Plenty of free weights here on the sides. Balancing balls, heavy balls. Treadmill, some other machines. Typical exercise room. It's very nice though, serves its purpose for what it is. This is a typical Hampton Inn. It just seems a little smaller because it's only 3 floors and there's only 1 meeting room and it looks small. I wasn't able to walk inside of it at the moment because it says meeting in use. I don't know how true that is. It is 10 o'clock at night on a Sunday, so there may not be any meetings. It might just be up there to keep people out of it. But no, it's a typical Hampton Inn, you know. Room's pretty standard. The rest of the hotel's pretty standard. It just seems like it's a little on the smaller side. But Tuscaloosa is a smaller city than some of the other ones we've stayed in, so. Alright guys, I think I'm going to do a little exercising, and then I'm going to exercise my head onto my pillow. So I'll talk to you guys in the morning and let you know what we thought about our night stay, okay? Have a good night. Good morning from the Hampton Inn & Suites, East Tuscaloosa, Alabama. This wraps up our stay here. Getting ready, you can probably hear the car in the background. We're getting ready to hop in the car, and we're actually heading back to Central Florida. Alright, it was a very good stay that we had here. Everything was great, except for this crappy rainy weather we woke up to this morning. We had a few plans this morning, but unfortunately we had to cancel those, and we're just going to start heading home because there's a chance of tornadoes and severe weather. We woke up this morning to lightning and thunderstorms. So, but this was a very good stay. Dominique at checkout, you were awesome. We very nice, and I can't remember the girl's name when we checked in. She was awesome too. This is the kind of hotel I'm talking about when I talk about Southern hospitality. Just being treated good in general, you know. It's nice to experience people who you can tell care about their jobs. Alright, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that red button down below. You never know where we're going to end up traveling to next. And as always guys, we'll see you soon.